Lovable AI. Build a full SaaS within 10 minutes. Lovable AI is one of the fastest ways to turn an idea into a working SaaS project without writing code. Lovable is perfect for beginners because it handles design, structure, and logic automatically. In just a few minutes, you can go from idea to a real usable website. All right, so let's get started with Lovable. First of all, go to the Lovable AI website on your browser and sign into your account. Then either log in if you already have an account or click on Get Started to create your account. And then once you're inside, this is what your dashboard looks like. Here you will see a prompt box, this one over here. And in here, you can describe what you want to build. And this is where everything starts. So in this area here, we're going to tell Lovable exactly what to build. Type in a simple prompt. So what I actually want to create here is a SaaS website. I want an AI resume generator SaaS website where users can enter their details and then the website will generate a professional resume for them. So I'm going to enter in the prompt according to that. So this is the prompt. Now it says create an AI resume generator SaaS website where users can enter their details and generate a professional resume. Now you can add in more details. For example, if you have any theme in mind, or you could also include that you want a light version and a dark version, or you could go up here and upload an image. You can attach an image instructing Lovable on maybe the kind of form you want to include on the website. So the form in which the people are going to put in their professional details and maybe their educational backgrounds and all of that. So you could attach in a form that you want on the website. So just go over here, click on file, and you can attach your file. Or if you want to include details on the design, then click over here and go over to the design system where you'll be able to access more design details. Now this is for the enterprise upgraded version and you can't get that on the free version, but even with this prompt, you will be able to get a very good website. So let's go ahead. We put in our prompt, submit this, and there we go. Within seconds, Lovable has generated our website for us, but it is not giving us the full preview like it used to before. Before that, we need to confirm some details. So it's asking us a few questions and we need to confirm those. So we've been asked how the resume should be generated. So once the users have entered in all their information on the forms, then they're going to get their resume. Now that resume could be downloaded as a readable PDF file or displayed as a live preview on the website. So users can download that later. So here we have two options for that. So select whichever option you want. There's live preview plus download and direct PDF download. So I think the live preview and download option is better because you can preview what it looks like. And if you want any changes, then the users will be able to change that. Next, the question is, what role should AI play in the resume generation? So for the resume generation, you can get content enhancement from AI, where the AI will rewrite and improve the bullet points and summaries and descriptions that the user enters in. So the user is going to enter in all these details and AI is going to rewrite it and then just improve everything. Then you have full generation. So the AI will generate the entire resume from just a little bit of information, minimal input that the user puts in, or it can also do both. So I'm deciding on both. And then we're being asked how many resume templates should be available at launch. Now it could be one clean template or 3 to 4. I'm going to keep it 1 because we're just starting off with our website and I just want to keep it simple. We could make those improvements later and add in more templates too. And so this is a summary of all the questions that we were asked. Now, what's interesting here is that these are things that maybe you would not have thought of in detail. So if you came over to Lovable and you didn't go into too much detail on what exactly you want, you don't need to worry about that. You just need to put in your idea. And then Lovable will ask you those questions and even give you options on answering them. And then here we go. We have more detail on what kind of a website we want. And then just submit that information. And then it is creating a plan. And then the plan is generated. And now Lovable is waiting for an approval from us. So here, this is the plan. And you're not getting to preview it yet because once you approve everything, then you'll get the preview. So here is the plan over here. Click on review. You can also skip it and approve it right away, but that is not recommended. Definitely you want to review the whole plan and then make any changes to it. So click on review, and then this is the plan over here. So it says AI resume generator, and then you have first of all the landing page, and then you have the landing page details. In the landing page, you have the hero section, you have a brief feature highlights where you get AI powered professional templates and they are free to use. And then you have a clean, modern SaaS design. Then you have the resume builder where there will be a multi-step form with live preview going on the side. Then you have step 1, step 2, where the users will be putting in the details, and step 3, which will be the review and download part. Then you'll have the live preview panel where you'll get real-time previewing, and then AI integration, which will first of all provide the full resume generation and then per section enhancement of the content. And then down here you have the tech information. So basically you have Lovable Cloud and Supabase Edge function for the AI. And as for the client side, they will get a PDF generation of their resume once they download, and no authentication is required. So these are all the details, and it's so convenient to go over these ones. Now, I'm really happy with everything, but say for example, I want to change anything. I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to edit that part. So let's say I don't want real-time resume preview. I'm just going to erase this part and then save and approve. Now I could also change this one here where it says single clean professional template to multiple templates. So here, let's make that multiple professional templates. There we go. Now you see the changes that I made in here are changes that I didn't originally want. I did select that I want just one template preview, but now I've changed it to multiple just to show you. So most of the time after answering the questions, everything is going to be according to your preference. And all this is definitely something you want to spend your time on because this is what is going to get that generation. And instead of rushing past this step and getting a generation that you don't like and you need to improve a lot, that is going to take a lot more time than usefully using your time here. All right, so now go up here to the top right corner, click on save and approve. Now, after that, you need some permissions to allow and you need to enable cloud. So here it says the complete backend and AI models out of the box. You have built-in backend. So here you need to allow enabling cloud. The website includes built-in backend and an LLM. And then Lovable will also store information on where your project is hosted. So allow all of these permissions. And there we go. Our website is ready. Now it's not published, but it's ready in the sense that everything is created and we can preview this. Now in the chat area here, if you scroll up, you have all details. So after we enabled cloud, these are the details provided to us by Lovable. So it says here is what has been built. So the landing page has been built. You have a 3-step resume builder, which is functioning. You have a live preview and 2 AI Edge functions, that is full generation and per section improvement. And in the end, you'll get a client-side PDF export, and then you even have SEO meta tags which have been updated. So let's move over to the preview here. This is what our website looks like, and it says powered by AI. It says build a resume that lands interviews. And then down here, you have these 2 buttons. So you could either go towards building your resume or start from scratch. And down here you have 3 options, and then down here you have a display of the features. So it's a very clean and neat landing page. There is absolutely no clutter and it's very minimal. And I absolutely love this because there is no distraction and you can just come here and get started right away. So let's click on build your resume, and then that will bring you here. So this is the small form and you will be putting in your information. So let me just put some things in. So here I've put in some information into the form and then click on generate my resume. So now for our preview, Lovable has put in all this information itself, and this is just example information. So after generating, this is what you get to preview. So remember when we added in that we want to be able to preview everything, and then side by side, we want to be able to see the resume being formed. So here's the information on this side, and then this is the preview. So here you have all the personal information and the professional summary, and then the option that we selected on being able to enhance the information that's put in. And then we also have the enhance option. So if you click on enhance, this text here will be enhanced and the professional summary would be improved and summarized. And then if you go down, you have the work experience that's being put in, and then you have the bullet points. So again, you have the enhance option here as well. And then as you go down, you have further details. And again, you have the enhance option here. And if you go down, you can enhance the skills area too. And now if you look over here to the right on the resume, you have the name here as the title, the contact details, a professional summary. And as you go down, you have the experience, the front-end developer, and the senior front-end engineer. So these were some previous roles. And then down here, you have the education. And at the very end, you have skills. Now, all of these skills and all this information that's put in has been enhanced by AI, and it looks like a pretty good resume. But again, nothing here is permanent. And if there's still something that you want to improve or change, then you can go back here to the chat area and you can put in what you want to improve. And you also have some suggestions. You can test this end to end. You can add more resume templates. You can add a cover letter generator. You can add dark mode and light mode here. So these are some options given to you by Lovable itself, or you can go down here and add in more details. So say you don't want some section or you want to improve something, then just simply type that in. Now I am happy with this. So once you are happy with everything and you are ready to go to the next step, then you just go up here to the top right corner and click on publish, and that is going to publish your project. So once we've previewed the resume, we're going to click on next, and then here we have the whole of our resume. So this is a preview of the whole of the resume without any more further changes that we need. So this is finalized, and then you just go up here, click on download PDF, and then your PDF will start downloading, and down here it says PDF downloaded. So it's a pretty smooth process, and to me, I think the website generation was very simple, very easy, and it's been generated, and we have generated our full website with output within a few minutes. So once you're happy with the result, it is time to publish. Go up here in the top right corner, click on publish, and then Lovable will generate a live link for your SaaS website. So you can now share it with others, you can add it to your portfolio, or improve it later. And just like that, you've built a complete SaaS website in minutes. You have just created an AI resume generator without writing any code. This is the power of Lovable AI, turning simple ideas into real products fast.